Hey guys, it is Andrea and I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. These will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. So let's go ahead and get right into it. First thing that I want to show you guys is I do have a monthly for you guys, and this has the, June art, and it is like a beach house art set, kind of coastal vibes, and for the mystery, but it did come in a monthly. So this is the front page, and then you have the labels page, the boxes page, and then the sidebar page. And this fits the Aura Estelle A5 wide inserts. And then I also do have the B6 option, which does fit the Aura Estelle B6 inserts specifically. And this is a 2-page kit. I did want to mention that the B6 kit will be a freebie for a special Aura Estelle event coming on June 30th. So this weekend. So if you're planning on purchasing during that event, she's having like a B6. I don't know if it's a pre-sale or like a pre-order or like a regular sale, but we do have freebies of this kit going in that. So you might want to check and see what the details are on that before you purchase this kit. But just wanted to mention just in case for that. Then we do have Doodles this week. We do have 151 through 160. So let me go ahead and zoom you guys in. We do have the pastel version of the Wendy's bag. There is a Target bag, a Target pastel colorway bag, and then there is a Target shopping bag. So this is like a different style. It's nice if you go on, a different Target trip, you can use a different sticker, another Target bag option, and then an Amazon box, a pastel tape version of the Amazon box, and then also these like Mickey fork and knives. I thought this would be good for if you're going to the parks and you want to mark your dining experiences, or if you just love magical things or using a magical kit that week, it'd be super cute to mark with that. Sorry if you guys could hear footsteps in the background, but Bennett's room's right above me and he is getting ready for bed, but I wanted to go ahead and film this. Then we do have a foil bundle for this week. This is a red, it's a red foil with stars in. Let me see if I can catch it in the light. Can you see the stars in there? It's kind of hard to see, but I think you can see the stars. So it's like a red sparkly star foil, and then the pattern is star, so it's like Starception, which is super cool. So that is the matte sampler if you want to add it on. And then this is the star format. So you have the 2 pages with the full boxes and the glitter headers, the 2 pages of the bougie boxes, the icons and the scripts, as well as the bottom washi and fancy headers, deco, and date numbers. I think this would be really pretty if you're like back planning 4th of July, or for Valentine's Day, even like it's stars and not hearts, or for Christmas would be really nice as well, or anything that can use a sparkly red. Love that. Also wanted to mention that this is going to be the last release to pick up the $2 foil bundles that are on the flash sale. I have been loving doing like little flash sales. The last one was 50% off of a specific foil bundle grab bag. So I will be changing it up in like a week or so. So if you want to pick up any of the $2 foil bundles, I would definitely do so with this release, because then they will go back to their regular pricing, I think. Or am I going to take them down? I haven't decided yet. So if you are going to pick those up, I would do it now. But yeah, so I've been loving doing the flash sales, and then I'll do something different for next week. Let's go through the kit. So I do have one, actually 2 of them are exclusive art. One's new exclusive art, and then we also have a fall kit. So I'll just show you guys the like back to school kits first. So I do have a reformat of Hello Class that was super popular last year, and the one thing that a lot of people mentioned was that it was very like modern and neutral colorway. So I did end up doing a new custom this year that is like more of a pastel colorful colorway, so that you have options. So let's go ahead and go through this. This is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. So this is the ultimate kit. All of the kits this week do come in ultimate and mini, and there are add-on options for all of them. So this is the full boxes page. Super cute. I love this little classroom scene, and it's just all really pretty like pastel-ish colors, and I am obsessed. Super cute. I hope that you guys love it. And we also have, like I said, Hello Class, and then there was the kit that was released last week, which maybe I'll actually show you guys at the end. just in case you wanted to see it on camera. I did show it on Instagram, but we'll go through it at the end of the video because I totally blanked and forgot it at work. And the freebie and the ultimate in the mini is an extra color, which is the yellow, which is in like the full boxes. I think it's super cute, and I'm jealous that I won't be using it because none of my kids are in school yet, but I would definitely be using this kit if they were. I just think it's adorable and precious. Let's go through the mini kit so you guys can see that format real quick. So this is the mini kit. It comes with the same freebie, of course. You have the full boxes, the deco, the glitter headers, the mini kit exclusive page, the bottom washi, and the freebie. So that is BTS, which I don't think I said, so back to school. And that'll be coming to the shop on Wednesday. And like I said, that is exclusive art. Let's go through the add-on options. There is a 15mm strip, a label sampler, and then there is also FAM 1 through 6. So you have a tall box and then 2 full boxes. So that was FAM 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. They are adorable. So stinking cute. And then let's go into Hello Class. So this is a reformat from last year. I moved the boxes around and I think it turned out super cute. I am obsessed with like the modern neutrals. So let's go through this kit. So here are the full boxes. Like I said, I did switch them up a little bit. Obviously I have the same artwork to work with, but I wanted to like make the boxes look a little bit different. You have your extra boxes over here. Love these colors. Again, just a really nice neutral palette. Pattern labels, bottom washi, and then the extra box is the same as last year. I just updated the numbers on here. So you can take, you know, the 2022 and put it right on top of there and make your own little custom board. Super cute. So that freebie does come in the mini kit as well. And then let me go ahead and show you guys the extra for this kit. So there is, like I said, the mini kit option. There's the 15mm strip, the label sampler, and then there is FAM 1. Oh, I was like, what am I doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The same variations as always, 1 through 6. So that is Hello Class. That was definitely our best-selling back-to-school kit last year, and I just think it's super cute. Again, exclusive art. And then last but not least is a really gorgeous fall kit. I love the colors. It's super deep and like rich, almost a little moody as well, and just kind of like also kind of romantic. So let's go ahead and go through this kit. It also does come in a mini kit. Gorgeous art. So here are the full boxes. I don't know, like, isn't it just really pretty? And you can almost feel, what the heck was that? I'm checking my front door camera because that was a weird noise. Oh, somebody just yeeted. Oh, my sign fell. I was like, somebody just yeet a package, but nope, that's like our welcome sign. Fell over. Must be windy out. Okay, anyways, back on track. Can you just feel the crisp air? It's like 100 bazillion degrees in Texas and basically everywhere. But I can just feel the like breeze and hear the leaves like rustling. I just think it's a really pretty kit, and I love the deeper colors. It's just so rich and gorgeous. Here's your extra full boxes over here. I love this green. It's just such a pretty colorway, and I am obsessed. I think it's super pretty, and I love the papers, like these like kind of like painted papers. And then the bottom washi is a plaid, and then the extra in the mini and the ultimate is an alternate skin tone hair color for this double box right here. So dang cute, and I'm like super excited about fall. Also Halloween, guys, we have so many kits. I reformatted a bunch based on polls, and then I have, I don't even know how many customs. Like I've lost track at this point. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe 5 or 6 customs. I can't remember. 5 sounds right, but also I think I'm missing one. Also comes in mini kit, but that's customs. And then I think I did 4 reformats for Halloween. Y'all, I'm on a roll. So you have the 15mm strip, the label sampler, and then the fashion options as well, which these are gorgeous. I love the one with the black hair. Super pretty. And then that is everything that's new for this week, but I want to go ahead and show you guys this kit. I don't actually know how to pronounce this. This is what Jess named the art. It's aesthete. I don't know. Honestly, I've never been a good reader or anything like that. But yeah, it's a really pretty kit. Very like moody, like I said before. Academic vibes, kind of like an older kind of school vibe, maybe like high school, college kind of situation. I love it. I think it's really pretty. It's like dark. It kind of reminds me of like a September to October transition or just September in general. But I feel like if you were like, all right, I have my fall kit set, you could use this in January for like midterms. I think that'd be really pretty too. Is that whenever midterms happen or is it December? I haven't been in school in a very long time, but I just think this kit's so pretty. I love the colors. They're just so dark. And I feel like with any foil, it's really gonna pop. Like I would personally probably use gold or matte bronze. I think matte bronze would be like really, really cool. But I feel like those colors, or even if you did decide to use silver, it would really pop against these dark colors and look really special. And I love this bottom washi, especially if you add on the 15mm strip. I think that's so cool. But even alone, I love the papers. I just think it was a really cool paper design. Like, you know, whenever I downloaded it, I was like, Jess, this paper though, it's a good one. And then there is an alternate skin tone option for this fashion box as well in both the mini and ultimate kit. So I'm just obsessed. I think the girls are super cute. Love them. And then let me go ahead and show you guys the add-on options. Like I said, there is a 15mm strip. There is a label sampler. And then there's also fashion options to add on as well. So this is already in the shop if you want to pick it up. It'll still be in the shop whenever new releases come. So don't think that you need to place 2 orders. But it'll still be there. So just wanted to show you guys in case you wanted to see it on camera, see it a little better. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. But all of these new releases will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. And really exciting news, there's going to be 4 Plan With Me's up this week. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I already have 2 pre-uploaded and I'm going to finish the other 2 before then, but that is what's happening this weekend. I'm really excited about it. I'm going to get caught up. I'm actually working on my Mother's Day Plan With Me now, and that will be up probably the next week, but really excited, and I hope that you guys are too. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.